We are at one of our favorite bashing grounds. Abby's getting ready to take the wheel of the Granite BLX, and we're gonna have to put the GoPro in the case to protect it because this thing is a beast. Can you hear me? Are you ready? Okay, got you guys out of the case. That is our first run on the Arrma Granite BLX. This thing is crazy fast. That was 100% stock with the stock battery, the nickel metal hydride battery, and probably about 10 minutes in, Abby hit a ram pretty hard.
Oops.
And
I hope you got it on camera because it was like slow motion to me. It was like body clips just went.
Lost a couple clips. So we're gonna replace those and then we'll run it with our lipos and let you guys know how that goes. We're gonna go grab a bite to eat. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.